Elevated, exceptional, elite. Welcome to Elite 100. We invite you to join us in the future of travel planning. You choose your hours, you choose where and how you work. Now it's time to choose 100% of the commission with Avoya. Many of you have heard about all that Avoya has to offer your business, from a powerful lead generation program to an intuitive, cutting-edge one-and-done tech platform, to unparalleled support 7 days a week, but weren't quite sure what our commission structure looked like. This is your chance to take a deep dive into our Elite 100 program and compare your commission earning opportunities with your current business model. When you elevate your business with Elite 100, not only will you earn 100% of the commission, you'll unlock access to Avoya's advanced products and services, each designed to empower your business, tailored specifically to meet your unique goals and needs. When we say elite, we mean business, your business. We're not just talking about your agency. Our elite experience expands to our traveler database, providing you access to an elite database of travelers to grow your book of business. We're here to help you do what you do best, sell travel, so that your additional commission will help you recoup any splits or fees for participating in the program. It's a win-win for your business. At Avoya, we're determined to continuously reward your successful results with payouts that are out of this world. Earn more, get more. Now that's what we call elite. What are you waiting for?